Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do a screenshot with iOS or iPhone. So here the screenshot will have two ways. You just need to find which part that you want to screenshot. Let's say in a Pinterest, here you want to take a screenshot for this. There will be two ways to screenshot in iOS or iPhone. So the first way is you just need to press this power button in the right side here and the volume up button on the left side in the same time. So do it in the same way, and then whenever you do that, your phone will capture the screen. And that is the first way. And for the second way, you just need to activate this excessive touch, and after that you just need to go click it, and in the excessive touch you will see the several options that you can have: lock screen, custom screenshot, type device, and control center. To get the screenshot, go click the screenshot and your phone will screen capture your screen. And now that is the way how to do a screenshot on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I'll see you for the next video.